Hello, Chef Simon Maple here. I'm coming to you from Welbilt's headquarters here in sunny Newport Richey, Florida. And today I'm going to be talking about the SteamChef steamer made by Cleveland. Today we're going to be cooking some shrimp from frozen, crawfish from frozen, potatoes from frozen, and vegetables from frozen. All came out of our Delfield Coolscapes freezer. We're going to be using the SureCook technology here in the SteamChef. What that does is it allows auto compensation, so it allows the internal cavity to reach at least 190 degrees before it starts cooking with the timer. Now we're going to put the stuff in. And in just a few minutes, we have a succulent seafood low country boil. We'll put all this goods together. Add a little of the Cajun butter. Give it a toss. To learn more about the SteamChef or any other Cleveland products, visit clevelandrange.com or contact your local dealer.